Hey everybody, in this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how to change language on Roblox Mobile. To change language on Roblox Mobile, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to actually come to your Roblox application and log into your account. As logged in, you'll be then taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here, what next you want to do is simply want to come to the More tab from the bottom right hand side corner. Then you want to go to the settings page, so click on the gear icon, after which you want to go ahead and make sure to click on account info section. Here you'll be able to find a lot of information which you could actually go and make changes, but then you simply want to scroll down a bit and go to this language section. So here you have a list of language available. You could go with any of it and just make sure to select it, and that's the way you could go and make sure to change your language on Roblox Mobile. So that is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.